Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Sankalpa 2000 MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. We are covering various objective questions here. So follow this Sankalpa series or 2000 MCQ series completely. Various objective questions are covered on complete chapter as such. Complete topic RBWM. Similarly, you get it for other subjects as well on the same channel, Officers Adda 24/7. So that's why click on this, subscribe to it, click on the bell icon. Okay, let's start without wasting the time. Okay, so let's start the first one. We'll do it fast because we are to cover maximum questions in this limited 15, 20, 25 minutes. Okay, so let's do it. You also give me the fast answers. Yeah. Which of the following business approach for retail banking has the advantage of clear focus and business objective? So clear focus and business objective. Which of this? Clear focus. Where is the clear focus? It is in strategic business units. Here, SBU means what? I'll explain you again. SBU. I've explained it earlier also, but SBU is mainly means all your expenses. See this. It is income, and expenses. These should be covered from your branch only. Means you manage your income and expenses. Nobody is going to help you. Okay. HO, head office, will not help you. Otherwise, what used to happen earlier? Branches used to ask for funds for profitability from the head office. So that is not going to happen now. SBU means you manage your own income, earn so much that you will be able to do your expenses from that income only. Okay. So clear focus and business objective. That is in this SBU only. Okay. Next. Banks adopt different models for implementing retail banking business, and the most common strategy for this includes which of the following? So, these various business models which we arrange, firstly understand this. Implementing retail banking business models. What are the models? Models can be horizontal, then vertical, then you have predominantly horizontal, predominantly vertical. These are the four models mainly used in the banking. Okay. So the question over here is, what are the various conditions under which, means what are the various factors that lead to these models? That is end-to-end outsourcing, predominant outsourcing, partial outsourcing, and in-house sourcing. Now what do you mean by this end-to-end outsourcing? End-to-end means what? Complete outsourcing. I'm just running the bank and everything of mine is outsourced. DSS. This saving account collection is outsourced. Getting the documents is outsourced. Then I'm having this DSAs for loans. So everything is outsourced. So this is followed mainly in foreign banks. Remember, end-to-end is done in foreign banks. End-to-end. End-to-end. Just I'll write it now. End-end. Okay. So it is done in foreign banks. Okay. Predominant outsourcing. So predominant outsourcing is done in predominant outsource. So that is done in which bank? This is mainly done in Indian private, new age, new private banks. Means like HDFC Bank, ICICI, everyone. Partial outsourcing. Partial outsourcing is generally in old private banks, like old private banks. Means for example, Federal Bank. I'm just giving you an example. Now they might have also shifted to this, but as per your book, partial outsourcing is done in this old private banks, Federal and then Karnataka Bank, okay, Karur Vaishya Bank, okay, and last one is in-house. In-house means complete development in-house. So that is generally followed by nationalized banks, okay. Now see here, it's given in your book. These are the definitions given in your book. But now, even I would say, some nationalized banks have also gone for this outsourcing part. It's not that it's a rigid structure. That nationalized bank means completely in-house. No, nationalized bank can also go for predominantly outsourcing. Similarly, old private bank can also go for end-to-end outsourcing. Anything can happen. Anything can happen over here. Okay. Yeah. So it is A to D all. Okay, that is the answer. Just hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Next one, the adoption of sourcing model for retail banking by banks depend on which of the following factors? Product range, process requirement, technology preparedness, delivery, delivery capabilities and regulatory prescriptions. So this sourcing model means what? How do I source the business? Similarly, as we just saw it, end-to-end outsourcing or this partial outsourcing, sourcing. How do I get the business? In private banks, we have DSAs, right, for getting the businesses. Getting the business means collection of documents. Here, DSAs are only allowed to collect the documents. They are not allowed to decide whether the account is to be opened or not. Similarly, in this nationalized banks also we have this now BCs, business correspondents. They also do the similar job, isn't it? So BCs. So what do we decide on? Means how do we decide? What are the various factors? Product range, process requirement, technology, preparedness, delivery capabilities, regulatory prescriptions. It is all of them, isn't it? A to E all, everything. Everything is a reason for this, isn't it? Because here depends on which bank is adopting what. But here it's asked for all the banks. So product range means if I'm having a large number of products, how many products are there in banking? Roughly you have 35 to 37 products in banking. 35 to 37, such a huge range of products. All banks don't have everything, but this is a total summary or total number of products. Okay. Process requirements. What are the various processes followed in my banks? Process means some banks have a longer process, some banks have a shorter process. Right? Technology, fastness means that is fastness. B and C are roughly correlated nowadays. Process and technology, right? Then delivery capabilities. How fast are my employees? Responsiveness. How do I respond to the customers? Regulatory prescriptions. Okay, how do I regulate? Means what does RBI say about this? We have to follow this regulatory prescription. So answer is definitely A to E all. Which of the following defines retail banking? The banking service. Now this is simple, primarily towards individuals. You know this. Then individual customers. That also you can definitely tell. Small account holders definitely can say. So answer will be here. It is very easy, right? Retail banking is mainly geared towards individual customers and small account holders. Which of the following is a characteristic of retail banking? The banking services towards individual customers. This is a bit difficult one, quite twisting. Individual customers. Second, population of individuals, large population of individuals. Right? Activities focused on mass market segment covering large population of individuals, right? And large corporates. Large corporates are never the part of this retail banking. Okay, so third is out. So my answer will be only 1 and 2. Where is it? This option? Yeah, B. Okay, so B is my answer, isn't it? Which of the following business approach for retail banking is more a management by objective process where the business model is dealt as a modular strategy for achieving the targets? So look at this. It is more management by objective, MBO. Management by objective means what? What do you mean by this term MBO? You'll always get this term in your exam also, MBO. What is MBO? MBO means here I first decide on my target, my objective. This year my bank has to achieve a profit of, let's say, 10% rise. 10% rise I want, rise, okay? So if my profit was, let's say, last year 100 crores, now this year I want 10% rise, so it should be 110 crores. So this is my objective. Management by objective means what? I'll do whatever I want. Means how fast I can, whatever means not illegal ways, whatever legal ways I can do to achieve this target. This is known as management of objective. Objective is set first, and then the whole management and whole team, all the bank follows that objective. So which is the best model over here? Which follows this? It is definitely, look at the first options: SBO, departmental, integrated, and generalized. So which is the best? The best model over here is this SBO. As I told you earlier, SBO means what? Do your own expenses from your own incomes. No more asking for the head office. Okay, help. Which of the following is not a feature of the retail banking? Not the feature. We want not the feature. Okay, not the feature of retail banking. These are provided through branches as well as virtual banking channels. So correct, branches, virtual banking channels, correct. So we want not, huh? So this is true. Second, these can be extended only for amounts and which are very small in size. So that is false. Yes, very small in size is not the right answer. Home loans, right? A simple example of home loans. Home is right now at around 10 crores in Mumbai, main cities, okay, main locations. One flat is of for around 10 crores, okay, in Mumbai. So even if I give 75% of the loan, so it will be around 7.5 crores, isn't it? Not no very small amount. So that is not a feature. Okay, so this is false answer over here. So these can be extended. Let me see others also. These can be offered both as a liability as well as asset product. Both as a liability and asset product. So definitely liability means what? Deposits. Here liability equals to deposits, and assets equals to loans. Okay, so what is the job of the bank? Same, getting interest from the loans and giving it to the depositors. They can be extended to small size businesses also. Current accounts can also be there. Proprietorship, partnership, private limited, limited also. Up to a certain turnover, small businesses. Okay, got it? A retail banking service can be extended through which of the following? So, here, can be extended through which of the following? So, retail can be extended through what? Branch and internet banking only. So, that is okay. Branches and ATMs only. Okay. ATMs and internet banking only. Okay. Branches, ATMs, internet banking, mobile. This is the right answer, isn't it? It can be extended through anything now. I can just limit it to something, isn't it? Any of the virtual channels or physical channels. Remember, there are two channels in banking. Always remember this, two channels. One is physical channel, physical, and second is e-channel or virtual channel, we call it, virtual. Nowadays, what is happening? All these virtual channels means like this ATM, then internet banking, mobile banking. These are all getting the importance over here. But this physical channel of branch, people are not neglecting this channel. This is not right. Branch channel is of equal importance. Here you understand the human being. Human being is understood in the branches. So that's why this is one of the important channels. Whereas virtual channel can't understand your requirements. Okay? Means definitely we must go for the virtual channel, definitely, because it's fast. But this channel has also the equal importance over here. Okay? Suppose if I go in front of the ATM and I need money, but ATM is not working, will the ATM be able to do anything? It's a machine. But if I go in the front of the branch, and I require some money, I'm not having the checkbook, the branch manager can take the decision depending on the situation, right? So that is the importance of human being. That's the importance of physical channel. Always remember this. Physical channels are equally important in banking as the virtual channels. Virtual channels can never replace the physical channels. Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB from IIBF. Explain them completely so that you don't have any unclarity or vagueness in your mind, opacity in your mind, right? Second is you get the free YouTube series. Right now, what are you watching? Free YouTube series. Similar YouTube series, you get it for all the subjects. Okay. So subscribe to it. Click on the bell icon immediately. Okay. Share it with your friends. The foreign and the new private sector banks adopt which of the following business approach for the retail banking? See here, foreign and private sector banks, both we are talking of now. They adopt which strategy? They generally adopt this SBU. Right? Others you already know, right? Generalize is not this question at all. So SBU approach. These foreign banks and new private sector banks, they go for this SBU approach. Then what are these? This is done by nationalized banks. Nationalized generally. Nationalized. Okay. And this integrated is done by the small banks. Small banks means which have just now been formed. Many small banks have been formed now, right? Which of the following bank groups in India has clear positioning platform? Positioning, here, positioning platform. Clear positioning platform. Being on the top slot across all the class of the bank in retail banking. So being in the top slot. Many of you will answer this foreign bank, but that's not the answer. The answer is new private banks. Foreign, public, private and new private. New private is the right answer. New private banks always strive to be in the first or second range, second number in anything. Okay, so this is the new private sector. Then what do you say about the foreign banks? Foreign banks are not concerned about positioning. Positioning. They are not concerned about this. They are only concerned about business. Their simple angle is business. If there is business, then they'll enter it. If there is no business, they'll out. They'll be out. Many of the, if you check all the foreign banks, I would say, why many? In fact, all the foreign banks, you check them, they have exited the retail business in India. Citibank, Standard Chartered, HSBC, they have exited the retail banking business in India. They have sold it to the various Indian private banks. Okay. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever we need for clearing JIIB and CIB, we get it over here. What do we need for clearing JIIB? One is classes. So online classes are available. Books, ebooks are available. Tests are needed to boost your confidence. Always remember. So that's why tests are available over here. So that's why download it right now and start studying. How much time is remaining for your exams? October is your exam, right? So do it fast, study fast. Okay. Public sector banks for retail banking business mainly make use of end-to-end outsourcing, partial outsourcing, in-house sourcing, and predominantly outsourcing. Public, I have already told you, in-house, right? So public sector bank is strictly in-house as per the books. Now even public sector banks are going for partial outsourcing. We have BCs. What are BCs? Business correspondents. These are partial outsourcing. But as per your book, as per the exam, JIIB, you have to give this C answer. Okay. Foreign banks for the retail banking business make use of end-to-end outsourcing, partial outsourcing, in-house sourcing, mostly outsourcing based on the business model. So foreign banks means, what are foreign banks? Citibank, HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank. There are many. There are around 37 to 40 foreign banks in India. 37 to 40, even more than that. They always go for end-to-end. They never follow this model of our complete staff and all the huge staff network. They never follow anything like this. Okay. As per the study, banks adopt the following models based on the technology and customer interface capabilities. Horizontally organized, predominantly horizontally organized, vertically organized, predominantly vertically organized, and last one is centrally organized model. So this E is out strictly. Say this E is not the option. So answer is only these four: horizontally, vertically, PH and PV. So A to D only. Okay, it is only A to D. It's not. It can't be beyond this. Centrally organized model is a model that is known as. This model is known as what? Centrally organized model. It means this is known as the hub and spoke model. Okay, or client server model. So this is a server and this is a client. Client means all branches are the clients. Branches. And processing center, I'm not saying head office, processing center. Processing center is the server. Okay. So this processing center helps for all the branches. All the branches hit that processing center only. This is known as centrally organized model. But that is not the model as per the technology and customer interface. As per your books, it's only these four. Okay. Which of the following business approach for retail banking has advantage of clear focus? Just now I think so we did it, right? It is this SBU. Everyone join the Sankalpa batch. All the four subjects are covered: numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Join it ASAP. Exams are in your October just now, isn't it? You have recorded videos as well. Recorded classes. See this, you can join this video course batch. If you have missed out on this Sankalp batch, join the video courses batch. There all the video courses are available. Plus Mahapack. Mahapack includes live classes, video courses, ebooks, test series, mini and Maha marathons, practice papers, doubt sessions, everything you have in Mahapack. How to join this? Let me show you. See this. Go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra. Okay, using the coin systems. So go to Adda 24/7. Okay. Once you go there, click on JIB and CIB. Look at this. Click on JIB and CIB. Now you go to JIB October. See the JIB October. Done. JIB October, you will see this batch, Sankalpa batch. Click on this Sankalpa batch. Okay. Once you click on this, you will see this online live classes, test series, ebooks, recorded videos. Now click on this test series or any one of these. You will see this test series. All the test series are available. AFM, RBWM, IFS, this retail banking and wealth management again. Various tests module wise are available. Okay, so it's very easy for you to do it. Similarly, ebooks. Go through them. Ebooks, see this. IFS and then RBWM, then AFM and this PPB. All the 4 ebooks. Similarly, live classes. Various batches are available. Join them ASAP. In fact, I would suggest you to join, give you one more option. That is, second option is this Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you get multiple batches. Plus, you get mini and Maha marathons. Look at it, JIB, CIB, Mahapacks. Okay, click on this JIB Mahapack, or you can join the JIB, CIB combined Mahapack. Combined Mahapack is a better one because in this Mahapack you can use the same Mahapack for your CIB as well. Now look at this, 1100 hours online live classes, 371 test series, 465 ebooks, 1517 videos, recorded videos are available. Use the code MOON80. Look at this MOON80 code. You can use it for batches also. 80% off you are getting in batches. In Mahapack also you are getting 80% off plus double validity. Click on buy now. Clicked. Now this coupon code is already applied over here, 80%. Moon discounts here, 80% is already applied. 57,889 is the actual fees. It has reduced to 11,577. Isn't it a huge discount? Look at the validity, double. So click on continue. Clicked, you'll put on the details, full name, phone number, email. That's it. Click on continue, make the payment immediately, isn't it? See, your batches I have already started and the time is very limited. You can join the video courses. If you can't join these batches, join the video courses batch. Those are also available. Okay. So JIB October, you go down. You'll find the video courses batches also over here. See this video courses. You can similarly join it. Okay. I would always suggest you to join the batches ASAP because exams are very near. And remember, papers are not that easy. What has happened is they have changed the portion completely. Complete overhaul has been done. Overall means complete change has been done in this May series for 23. So 4 subjects, all of them are difficult ones. They are not simple. You are having numericals in 3 of these subjects. AFM, then RBWM, and even in this PPB you are having the numericals nowadays. So difficult ones. That's why I would suggest always to join it fast. ASAP. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying and do join the batches ASAP. Bye from my side.